Let's fix it. Open up Stream, click Library Setting, click Game, right click it, click Properties. This pop-up will appear in this click Installed file. In this you have seen Browse option is tab. Click it, click TSL Game, click Binary, click Win64. You have seen the application, right click it, click Properties, click Compatibility, and enable Run the program as administrator, click Apply and OK. Once completing this, come back, verify the game file is click it and wait for a couple of seconds. It will verify the entire files. Once the verification is completed, the successfully verified message will thrown up. After that, go back, click install file. Once again, click browse, click PSL game, binary, Win64, Battle, click it, click install Battle, double click it. It will installing the once again. So you need to double click. Once complete after close it. And the next step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down, search for Microsoft Visual C++. You have seen now. If you not have the latest version, go to the browser and download and install by using the official website of Microsoft. Once installing after, you can see the three dot icon is there. Click it and click modify. Click repair. It's nothing but it's once again reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++. You need to download both 64-bit and 86-bit. Once complete after, you need to close it and restart the PC. Thank you.